Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Mr. Kabir from BSCS Batch 9 Section A. Today my presentation topic is regarding background of semantic web. So let's have a look on my PPT what the background of semantic web is. As you can see on my screen, I have given a short background of semantic web, as it was first introduced by Tim Berners-Lee, who was also the founder of World Wide Web. His only motive was to make semantic web a machine understandable web, so that a common human can understand about the web, about Google and all. It was proposed in 1994, while it became popular in May 2001. Now the question arises, why semantic web? So as you can see that a semantic web based on open link data. Now the semantic web is here. So because of semantic web, the SEO strategies are more effective. As you can see that whenever we search anything on Google, so Google gives us millions of options. That's all because of semantic web. What is semantic web? So the semantic web is an extension of the current web in which information is given well-defined meaning, better enabling computers and people to work in cooperation. As it uses the RDF, which is Resource Description Framework, and Web Ontology, which is OWL, and it understands the relation between things. That's what makes semantic web more effective. Web 1.0, which is called the first web and which is also called the read web, means it only makes static web pages, nothing else. It's all about static web pages, that's all. The web 2.0 is about the read and write web, because along static web pages it is also the user generated content. Whatever a user wants, he can also have interaction with that web. So this is called read and write web, and it is also called dynamic web. And web 3.0, which is called the semantic web. So as I have already told you, what was the reason to make semantic web, what was the purpose, and what was the motto. And the more effective thing about semantic web is that it can understand the relation between things, and there are many more things which makes SEO strategies more effective, which makes semantic web itself is effective, and it can recognize people, places, events, companies, products and movies, etc. And that's all because of its relation between things and its understandability. Thank you very much. It was my short presentation regarding semantic web background. Thank you.